但愿人长久，千里共婵娟. May we all blessed with longevity. Though fall apart, we can still share the beauty of the moon together. The poem from Su Shi is not only expresses the romantic sentiments, but also encapsulates the profound significance of Mid-Autumn Festival for Chinese people. It's about the yearning for distant loved ones, an inseparable bond etched in our culture. On this day, no matter how far we are, we rush home to gather under the moonlight and sharing the stories and warmth. Though the moon waxes full every month, it's on the 15th night of the 8th lunar month that its glow becomes a symbol of reunion in our hearts. Just as eating the mooncakes isn't merely saving the sweetness, it's about the sharing the heartfelt wishes. This round treat must be enjoyed with those who hold the dearest. But in Jiaxing, our Mid-Autumn tradition has a special twist. Alongside with the symbolic mooncakes, the dish that truly anchors the reunion feast isn't just a hot dish. It's a chilled platter masterpiece, a genuine Wei Defeng braised goose. This goose comes from Wei Defeng, a Zhejiang time-honored brand rooted in Xinchen, the renowned gourmet town of Jiangnan. Strolling through the Xinchen's ancient streets, you are greeted by the aromas of the tradition pastries, pan-fried buns, and the steamed mutton, a true culinary hub. And Wei Defeng stands a living legend in this foodie paradise. The story behind this goose dates back to Kangxi era of Qing dynasty. When scholar Zhu Yizun visited Xinchen, he tasted this signature goose. He exclaimed, 知味知味, truly divine, truly divine. Here, 知味, taste, meets Defeng, virtue and prosperity, birthed the name Wei Defeng, a legacy spanning over 3 centuries. Since then, the name Wei Defeng and its timeless flavor have been passed down through generations. The culinary mystery spanning 3 centuries, no accident. Wei Defeng's braised goose technique is formally certified as Jiaxing's intangible cultural heritage. It rigorously follows the traditional 5-step process: washing, marinating, resting, braising, simmering. Each stage is a distillation of time and expertise. This critical final step, simmering, requires master craftsmen to hand pour the sauce over the goose 300 plus times, allowing the brine to penetrate every fiber. This meticulous process yields the signature glossy sheen and the penetrating savory depth that define its unparalleled texture. In Chinese culture, geese symbolize the purity, fidelity, and prosperity. They are revered as messengers of goodwill. Gifting a goose isn't just about food. It's offering a gift of integrity, a token of heartfelt blessings for harmony, loyalty, and abundance. Wei Defeng preserves the commitment to trustworthiness, upholding dedication to excellence, maintain 3 days fresh batches, ensuring all products are handmade and served on the same day. At Wei Defeng, this commitment to integrity lives on. Daily fresh batches are handicrafted, using only 100-day-old eco-raised geese, triple sourced for quality and slow cooked to perfection. It's more than a dish, it's a living dialogue across 3 centuries, a tangible connection to our culinary roots. Visit the Xinchen flagship store, a 300 years craftsmanship journey. Explore intangible cultural heritage, blue calico displays, interact with antique collections, and learn tradition skills, enjoying delicious food and lively cultural exploration. Relax with Suzhou Pingtan performances, dressed in Hanfu for themed photos. Sip creative goose sauce latte at the rooftop lounge, or unwind in the open-air sitting area. Tradition meets modernity in seamless harmony. This isn't just a food destination. It's a cultural sanctuary. From tasting heritage flavors to witnessing intangible crafts, Wei Defeng offers a 300-year-old conversation between taste and tradition. Through Wei Defeng, Jiaxing's culinary identity gains a global voice, inviting the world to discover its rich heritage, one delicious bite at a time. As we celebrate the Mid-Autumn Festival and national holiday, there's no better way to honor the loved ones than sharing the 3-century-old legacy of care. I'm Jason, wishing you a Mid-Autumn Festival filled with reunion, joy, and boundless blessings. 中秋快乐！